Woo! It's official, man. From the 1st of June, Yeezy's going to start dropping. He's back. Yes, people, how you doing? If you don't know already, my name's Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers, and I'm basically here to try and help you decide whether or not to cop or drop. But we're just going to get straight into this, and we're talking about Adidas and Yeezy. Now, I've done a video, whenever it was, saying that they've made a deal. They're coming back. He's going to get 15% of whatever they sell. They're just getting rid of the stock they have, and then it's coming to an end. Now there's been reports that they're going to start releasing these from the 1st of June. Now there's just a big picture of these. And you can see this, 350s, 450s, 700s, foam runners, slides. Who's copying? Are you copying? I mean, some of them I look at and I think, Onyx slide. Never had one. Might get one. Might. Don't know. Depends on the pricing though, because I haven't put the pricing up there yet. Now, you remember a 350 used to be, what, 180? Remember, it is even higher than what a Nike is now. Nikes are now going for 180, 200 pounds. So what's a Yeezy going to be? Adidas are not going to make full profit on this, what they said before. They've said they're going to donate some of it to charities who were affected by whatever he said. They're going to give 15%. Now, that 15% could have been the same deal what they had with Yeezy in the beginning, so it makes no difference in terms of their profit, in terms of the slice of the cake which they give to Yeezy. But it's going to make a difference in terms of how much of the cake's left for them if they're going to give a portion away to charity. Now, how much are these going to be? That's the question. That's what I want to see. Another question is, what ones are they going to release? Now, apparently, the pictures we've seen so far have come up in the Indian Asian market. Nothing's been announced on UK. I haven't seen anything on Adidas. These are all coming from different news outlets. So it'll be interesting to see what happens in the UK. What I really want to know is what's going to be released first. My money is on a 350. My money is on, it's going to be the zebra print. My money is on, it'll be a turtle dove. That's my money. Next ones I think will be a foam runner and a slide. And then we'll go into the 450. I've only seen one in the picture. 700s. And then back to some 350s. 3 different colourways. Or not 3 different colourways. Some different colourways. Now, if you haven't bought a Yeezy before, I'll just let you know now. They don't run true to size. You have to go half a size or a full size up. If you're looking to cop. Try and get on the confirmed app. If you haven't got the confirmed app already, go and do that. Look on the Adidas website, because I don't know how they're going to drop on these, but it's a good idea to keep your eye on the Adidas website. I don't know how much your Adidas loyalty points will help anymore, because I just don't seem to be getting any from Adidas, and I'm meant to be on their highest tier. In fact, they keep telling me I need to buy stuff because my points are running out, or they're going to run out. So I don't know how that be, but it's a different game when it comes to Yeezy now. How much of these kicks have they got? Are they going to be releasing everything they've got? Is it going to be easy to cop? We just don't know. But from the 1st of June, we're going to know. So let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell. If you don't, you never know what I'm uploading. You'll never see it again. So the notification bell is important. And please leave comments, man. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you're going to cop. Let me know if you're done with Yeezy. Let me know if you're done with Adidas. Whatever it is, let's talk. I'm Patrick T. I'm out of here. Peace.